In the era of early apical release, EnBloc Holmium laser enucleation of the prostate seems to be an appealing approach. However, marking where to start, especially anteriorly, is frequently described as a mysterious step, especially in the early learning curve. Veil-sparing lobe-by-lobe Holmium laser enucleation of the prostate has been previously described with optimized continence-related outcome. Furthermore, it offers a stepwise approach for learning in a B-C manner. Similar approach could be utilized for EnBloc Holmium laser enucleation of the prostate using consecutive steps following letters I, Pa, B, C, D. The procedure starts by I for incision. An inverted U-shaped incision in front of the veru montanum. This incision is mucosa-only incision following the lateral apical prostate bulge till 3 and 9 o'clock position on the left and right lobe respectively. Then P for plane development. Using the peak of the resectoscope, left and right lobes are bluntly enucleated with laser-assisted plane connection. For apical lateral dissection, the scope is flipped 180 degrees up. Laser fiber is facing 12 o'clock position, then dissection continues both bluntly and sharply till to and 10 o'clock positions on left and right sides respectively. Then after S for sphincter release or strip cutting, herein the advantage of veil-sparing technique. You easily identify where to cut, just inside the sphincter ring, maintaining a good mucosal veil covering the sphincter. Laser cutting from side to side optimizes the dissection without the need to guess. In this step, laser power is reduced to 45 watts, 1.5 joules and 30 Hz. Dissection continues sharply laser-assisted till complete release of the adenoma from the sphincter ring. For anterior dissection. After complete release of the adenoma from the sphincter ring, dissection is performed both sharply and bluntly from side to side. Downward traction on the adenoma opens anterior plane with laser-assisted dissection towards the bladder neck. Dissection continues anteriorly till the bladder neck. Characteristic bladder neck vertical fibers are assuring. B. For bladder neck dissection that starts by laser cutting of the vertical fibers from side to side between 2 and 10 o'clock position on the left and right lobes respectively. C. For C-shaped basolateral bladder neck dissection. This step entails two kinds of hand movements. Rotating one and pulling back one, aiming at dissection of the base of the prostate adenoma off the capsular fibers of the bladder neck. Dissection on the right lobe starts from 10 to 7 o'clock positions and from 2 to 5 o'clock positions on the left lobe. The keys of success of this step are hugging action, which means continuous pressure on the adenoma during dissection, and the dissection direction is always from lateral to medial on both sides to avoid undermining of the bladder trigone. The end point of this step is visualization of the ureteral orifices. D. For detachment. As we approach the bladder neck, the adenoma is now ready for flipping inside the bladder. Bluntly from side to side, the adenoma is pushed up towards the bladder using the peak of the scope. The final attachment is basal at the bladder neck. This attachment is cut only from side to side to avoid stripping of the trigonal mucosa. The procedure is concluded by careful hemostasis and morcellation of the intravesical adenoma. Intact mucosal covering of the sphincter ring with reactive sphincter are the final assuring signs.